Introducing the impressive 2020 Volvo Xc60 2.0 D4 Momentum with 190 horsepower in a sleek grey exterior. This spacious and luxurious estate comes loaded with top-of-the-line features, including satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning, and much more for a safe and comfortable ride. With a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Contact us today at Spirit Motor Group or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive away in style and luxury with the Volvo XC60.